Twitter messages or direct messages are a way to send private communication to other Twitter members. And you can enable, even if they don't follow you, to allow people to send you messages. Maybe if you're a customer service business, you may want to do that. I'll show you how in this video. Here we go. So yeah, you simply go to messages from your home feed and you can sort of get the summary, the first couple of lines of each message, but not so much detail, because when you send a message, you can have an unlimited number of characters. You're not limited to the 160 characters for a tweet. You've got as many characters as you like, I believe up to 10,000 characters. So you can have actual conversations with people. You can have a look. You can send them lengthy information. You could maybe automate that in some way. So lots of different options. You can send pictures, GIFs, smiley faces, that sort of thing. But as I say, you can actually have it specified so that they don't need to be a follower, because that was a problem. People would try and get in touch with companies, but because they're not following them and following them back, the company not following them back, they wouldn't be able to message. So although you can't do anything about other people's direct messages, what you can do is enable your own settings to allow people to message you. You may not want to do that necessarily if you're looking to avoid spam accounts, that kind of thing. You will probably open yourself up to it, but at least it gives a communication line in case you need to hear from people directly. So what you do is you go to More, and you go to Settings and Privacy, and you need to go to Privacy and Safety, and you can see here, receive messages from anyone. You'll be able to receive direct messages even if you don't follow them. You can learn more there. And there you go. But essentially, by checking that box, anybody who just wants to get in touch about anything at all can do. Just while we're here, you can also see read receipts as well, so you can have them shown. So someone sends you a message, you'll see when you've actually seen it. If you turn it off, then you're not able to see whether other people have got read receipts as well. So it's probably a good idea to show that read receipt, and good idea to leave the quality filter on to improve the kind of spam type accounts that I'm talking about. So that's it. That's direct messages on Twitter. You can have multiple people in a direct message conversation. So it's not just one-to-one. You can include multiple people in it. Lots of different things you can look at. It's certainly moved on a long way from the original Twitter direct messages, which most people try to avoid in my experience because they were so full of spam. So there's a lot more options around personalising communication all the time. That's it from me. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.